guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. My name is Patience, and today we are going to be doing a cleanup video. I'm going to be cleaning up everything balloon in my house because you know what? Valentine's Day is coming and we are going to start off with Valentine's Day decorations. So this one is going to be coming down, and I wanted to show you how I take down my balloons when I hang them on the wall. Just like I showed you the other day how to hang it on the wall, I will show you how to take them down. Okay guys, so let us get it. Okay, so to take down your balloons that you hung on the wall, you're going to just need maybe a pair of scissors, or you might not need it at all. Let me show you how. Okay guys, so I have my pair of scissors and I'm going to go ahead to show you how to take it out or to take it down without the scissors at all. Like I showed you, it is very easy to hang this and it is very easy to come down. So now you can see we have our ribbon hanging here on our command hook. So I'm just going to take it out from the command hook like this. Easy peasy guys. So the second method is to use your pair of scissors and you cut it. How easy is that? So we are going to do the same thing on this side. Let me lift up my balloon so that you can see. Okay, here is our ribbon, and I'm going to just take it out like this. Simple. So now I'm going to take out everything that I have done in the past weeks, all the balloon decorations that I've done in the past week. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to be stomping on it because the boys will not be doing this today. I will be doing it, and I know that most of you love when I stomp on the balloons, and I'm going to be using it as my exercise this morning. That is what I'll be doing. I'll take out everything out and I'll stomp on it. Let's go. go. One shot.
Okay. I'm trying to stop.
Go and bring me the broom. Quick, run quick. Run. Alright guys, so I'm done popping them. Whew. My chest is hurting. I am sweating. This is good exercise. I'm telling you, I had fun here, and I exercised my heart, I exercised my body. I feel really good, and now I'm going to clean up, and then that'll be it. So we are just going to clean up, and that'll be it. Okay guys, so we are finally done cleaning up, and I want you to stay tuned for our Valentine's Day decorations.
Subscribe.
I want you to stay tuned on our Valentine's Day decorations that will be coming up in the next weeks. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you do so, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye.